Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite eco-friendly cleaning products, which are from a company called Evie Blue, and I have used their products before, so I thought I should share with you the ones that I like. So we've got the Patchouli Rain, which is the all-purpose cleaner. I absolutely love this one. I love the smell. It's just so great. And the sanitary cleaner, great for the bathroom. And yeah, I absolutely like that one as well. The floor cleaner, I've not used this one yet, so look forward to a video where I demonstrate that. Their glass cleaner, 10 out of 10. Kitchen cleaner, 10 out of 10. So look forward to the videos where I show you them. And then there's also the carpet cleaner, which I have not used yet. So look forward to a video on that. And their degreaser, I've not used that one yet. So I've got a lot of videos to make for you. The floor cleaner, not used that one yet, so many things that I'm going to be recording and sharing with you guys. And last but not least, the lavender all-purpose cleaner, which I have not yet used. I've only used the Patchouli Rain, and I'm going to basically share with you these products and how I clean around my home with them. So I have used Evie Blue products before, so I will link the company information in the description bar. And they're also on Instagram. That's how I actually found the company. So look for the link in the description bar. So the degreaser, like I said, I've not used this one before, and the floor cleaner, so the Pro line, I've not tried this one yet. But today I'm going to be sharing with you the Patchouli Rain all-purpose cleaner. It's amazing, and it's got this subtle scent which is not too strong. But anyway, so you'll need actually all Evie Blue, most of their products come in a box, and their product is in these sachets, which I think are biodegradable. So fantastic. So you'll need to fill your reusable bottle with 500 mils of water to create the all-purpose cleaner. And yeah, just 500 mils of water, which is, you know, not a lot. So I've put 500 mils of water in here, and I am now going to get this sachet, cut it open, and just basically pour in the product. Look at that. And it's, like I said, it's got this little hint, a subtle hint. It smells like, I don't want to say watermelon, but I don't know. I can't describe it, but it just smells awesome. And then you just basically shake the bottle, and you are ready to use. So just spray a little bit, and honestly, it's amazing. Like, it leaves your surface is really shiny, and it removes grease. But I'm just basically gonna show you why I love their products. So just look at this surface already. It's literally shiny, and we just had lunch, so I'm just wiping the surfaces, and look at that already. Like, you can already see, like, it removes the dust and all the debris or whatever it is that you've got. Here, this is just crumbs that we had for lunch. And it also works on like dust and stuff. So if you've got dust that's been collecting on any of your containers, it works really well. Maybe if you leave it a few minutes, but you don't even need to leave it for that long, to be honest, because it just melts into the cloth or dissolves into it. Whichever way, I don't know. I can't rave enough about this product. It's my absolute favorite. And like I said, because the surface is really shiny, it works really well. It doesn't have a strong scent, which is really good, and it actually works really well as a degreaser. Again, it's a multi-purpose cleaner, so I would obviously want to see how well it works as a multi-purpose cleaner, just in case I do not have the cleaning products, you know, at hand. So I'm really impressed, and I really love and look at that, it literally just absorbs all the dirt and all the dust from the cooker. So 10 out of 10. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the content, and if you are enjoying my reviews on all the cleaning products, and let me know in the comment section below if you have heard of Evie Blue or if you have used their products. So onto this dish drainer, which has got a bit of hard water building up, as you can see in those areas. So I'm going to try and see if this multi-purpose cleaner can actually remove, you know, and make it look a little bit better. I know it's not a lime scale remover, but why not? Let's see how well it works. You know, no harm in trying. And of course, it's also eco-friendly, so, you know, why not? It's not going to do any damage to any of the surfaces. And also, I love that it actually has a little bit of a foaming action. If I'm honest, I just find that I like it when my products bubble. It makes me feel like they're working. So seeing this makes me really happy and makes it look like it's working. Well, actually, it is working. As you can already see, like I said, the surface is already looking a lot better than it did at the start. It's looking a little bit like, let's just see what it looks like once we've rinsed it. Let me know in the comment section below where else you'd like to see me using the Evie Blue multi-purpose cleaner. But let me know if you can actually see the difference, because look at that, most of the buildup is literally almost gone. So I'm going to dry it up and see how well this worked. So far, it's looking really good. I'm very impressed. I know it's not a limescale remover, but just for that amount that I sprayed on, and it looks good. It looks really good. I'm really impressed. So 10 out of 10 for that. And if you got any dried on ketchup, it literally spray a little bit and it comes off right quick. So I'm really impressed with that. Not a lot of elbow grease needed because I feel like the product works really well on its own. But overall, I am really impressed. The product works really well. The packaging can be recycled. So 10 out of 10 for a sustainable cleaning product. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more. And until then, you have a lovely day. Bye.